If your broadcast messages are not being delivered or some contacts are not receiving them, don't worry. I'll show you several simple fixes. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp business on your phone. Number 1, make sure contacts saved your number. The most common reason broadcast messages don't reach people is that they haven't saved your number. Broadcast messages on WhatsApp are only delivered to contacts who have your phone number saved in their contact list, so ask your customers or audience to save your number first. Number 2, check your internet connection. Another important thing is your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If the connection is slow, try switching networks and send the broadcast again. Number 3, update WhatsApp Business. Sometimes the problem happens because you're using an old version of the app. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for WhatsApp Business and check if an update is available. If yes, install the latest version. Number 4, check broadcast list limit. Another thing to remember is that a broadcast list can contain a limited number of contacts. If your broadcast list is too large, try splitting it into smaller lists and send the message again. Number 5, clear app cache for Android. If the broadcast is still not working, try clearing the app cache. Go to settings/apps/WhatsApp Business/storage, then tap Clear Cache. This can help remove temporary files that may cause message delivery issues. Number 6, restart the app or phone. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary glitch. Close the WhatsApp Business app completely and reopen it. You can also restart your phone and try sending the broadcast again. Final result. After following these steps, your WhatsApp Business broadcast messages should start working properly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.